Hello everybody, and welcome to JJB Tech. This is my first YouTube video, and I'm going to be unboxing the Gear S3. So let's get started. Let's see here. I've been waiting all day to do this. Let's see. Let's see what we have in the box here. Got some paperwork, some bubbles and stuff. Okay. And here goes the case here, and it says Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. Let's move some of this paper out of the way. Let's see here. All right. I'm kind of excited. I've been waiting to get this watch for a while now. Taking off the wrapping here. And I will say this is a really good presentation. As you can see, I kind of have the Gear S2. I've had the original Gear, Sorry about that. Had to stop the video for a second. Had to get something to open the case. So, right now, let's get this other side here. And, try not to use sharp objects like this, but at the moment, this is what I had to unbox it here. Trying to keep my case as neat as possible. So yeah, like I was saying, I've had the Gear 2, the Gear S, the Gear S2, which I have on now, and now we have the Gear S3. And I will say this is one good looking watch. Here you go. This is the T-Mobile variant. From what I was reading about the watch, it's running Tizen, of course. It's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and I got the T-Mobile variant, so this is 4G LTE as well, has NFC. One of the features is the Samsung Pay with the MST, which is the magnetic strip technology. So meaning it would not only work with NFC, it also work with those card readers where you swipe your card. So that's what separates Samsung Pay from Android Pay and all those other payment features. Let's see what else is in the box here. Let me slide this out of the way. Let's open the box. Like I said, still nice presentation. On this side, looks like we have a wall charger. Samsung wall charger here. Got some, looks like the warranty and safety and start guide. Set that aside as well. We have a USB cable. Looks like it's USB to micro USB, of course. Also, we have a charging dock, as you can see here. Let's pull this out of the box. Trying to get the wrapping off here. I have this with my Gear S2 as well. I heard that the It also charges the Gear S2. There you go. Charging dock, and we have an extra band. Looks like it says the small 22 millimeter, and of course that means you can just go buy some straps for the watch and replace it with any standard 22 millimeter. This little latch here makes it easier to put into place. So, and that's pretty much all we have in the box. Like I said, I'm excited about this watch and ready to get set up and get it started. So, but just wanted to bring you this unboxing, and thank you for watching.